Hello. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to draw a simple random sample from a population using Excel. Our population here is 2100 numbers. They are weights of a kind of pay reliever tablets. The unit is milligram. The first step, we need to import this data into Excel. Right now, the data here is in a PDF document and 3 pages. And first, we go to Edit, select all, and then copy. Open Excel file, open a new sheet, and then paste. And click Data tab, and choose Text 2 columns, and select Delimited. Next, and select these 3 tab space and this one. Go to Next and General. Finished. Now we have all the data here. Because we used to observe data in columns, so we make bigger. We choose all the data and copy. Open another new sheet. Paste special. Transpose. Now we have all the data in columns. We need to make some adjustments. For example, here in this cell, 2 data. In this cell, we need to separate it, insert a blank cell, and cut this datum into the blank cell, and the same as this one. You need to separate it. Also, there's another one over here. And we delete the empty column. Delete these 2. And the last adjustment is we need to copy this column's data. Or cut this column's data into the D column. Why we do this? Because the data in the PDF document only have 3 pages. So we want our data in Excel has 3 columns. 1 column's data correspond to 1 pages of data. Now we have after adjustments, we have all the data here in 3 columns. Correspond to 3 pages data. The next step is just format this data into a table. Click 1 cell in the data set and go to Home and Format as Table. just choose the basic one. And my table has headers. Yes, check it and click OK. Now we have the data table. And then we are going to randomly draw 100 number from this data set. Go to data, data analysis appear after you click this one. If your computer doesn't have this data analysis icon, you need to install it. How to install it? Just go to Tools and then check Excel add-ins, and then check the analysis tool pack and click OK. Okay, now we go to data analysis, and there are a whole bunch of tools here. We select sampling and click OK. Click OK. And then input range, the whole table. Just move the mouse to the corner, upper corner of the first cell, and when the mouse point to the center, just click it. And then label, no, because we do not select the headers. And then random, number of samples 100. Output range, let's put it here. Click OK. Now we have a simple random sample here. The sample size is 100. I forgot to tell you a technique that is called, after import all the data in Excel, we need to make sure we have 2100 number. How to do it? Just use count. How many numbers in this data table? 2100. Cool. And another technique to draw a simple random sample from a population is this one. This is pretty complicated, but it has its usefulness. For example, I want to randomly draw 30 numbers from the population from this data set, and I want 1,000 samples. If you use the preview technique, it will be very slow. You need to open the dialog box again and again 1,000 times. That is very time consuming. So how to do it in 1 minute? Use this formula, index formula. This formula tells Excel randomly pick a number from this data set. Actually, this formula is a combination of 4 formulas in Excel: index, and then range, between, and rows. If you want more information about these formulas, you just go to formulas and then check the formula you are interested in, that you will get all the information about how to use this formula. Now, we use this formula to randomly pick a number from this data table, and after get one number, we just drive over. Let's write over because the cell is too small. We go to auto format. Yeah, go to format, auto fit column width, and then the data will appear. And then we have a sample. The sample size is 30. That means we have a simple random sample of this population. How if we want to repeat this sampling 1,000 times? That means I want to get 1,000 samples, the same sample size, 30, from this data table, from the population. How to do it? Okay, first we need to type in 1,000 number. First type 1, and then go to home and go to field, and then cereals, choose cereals. The 1,000 number, we want them to be in columns, and the step value is 1, stop value is 1,000. Click OK. Oh, now we have 1,000. We have 1,000. Okay. So we want to have 1,000 samples from this population. The sample size are all the same, 30. How to do it? Very easy. We just highlight this column. Or the quick way is Shift Control or Shift Command, and then click the point to left arrow at the same time. Shift Control point to left arrow at the same time. After doing this, we just double click here. Now we have 1,000 samples. The sample size are the same, 30. That's very quick. One point I need to tell you is, if you want to use this formula to draw a random sample, simple random sample, you need to make sure the two columns of your data table has the same rows. Have the same rows. Otherwise, this formula will recognize the empty cell as 0. Okay, that's all.